To remove this heatsink, first of all, I have detached the connection wire. Now I have unlocked the locking system, and one more locking system is provided. For removal of this locking system, it is not an easy task. We should apply some force. Okay, now I have the heatsink in my hand. Look, it is provided with the cooling fins for the effective heat removal system. Now we can take it off. Look, this is the processor. It is coated with a thermopaste for easy sticking of this cooling system to this processor. Now lift out this lever and the processor bit unlocked. Look, now we have the processor in our hand. Our task is now completed.